And here's another quick tutorial for you today. We're going to make this little coil right here. So follow along and we'll be good. So once again, File, New, and your standard in.ipt. One day we'll do metric, not right now though. Maybe next one. Okay, go ahead and get started. Okay, here we go. First thing I need to do, draw a line right here. Let's go 2 up, but honestly it doesn't really matter. This line is just going to be a revolve point, so frankly it doesn't matter. So here's what we're going to do. Somewhere over here in space, I need you to draw a line that goes up 1 over 0.5 down 1 and over. So we'll go ahead and do this first. Okay. Next, we're going to dimension this from here to here, and this needs to be 2. And then in order to get it finally placed in the right spot, I want to also dimension from the bottom of this dot right here to the bottom of this line right here and make that 0.5. Just want to put it in the same spot so we all have the same. It doesn't truly matter, but this will make it easier on us. Okay. I do need a circle right here in the middle. That'll go like that. Okay. And then I need a circle somewhere along here, and we're going to get this one set here in a moment. But this circle will be 0.5 as well, same as the top one. And we'll get it put in the right spot here in a moment. Okay. So in order to get this in the right place, hit dimension, hit the bottom line, choose the middle, and bring it out and dump it. And that will be 0.35 up. Okay. Next, we're going to do some trimming. I want to trim that, trim this. Let's see if this will trim. Nope. This didn't trim because it has a dimension directly tied to it, so it doesn't want to do it. So what you're going to have to do is click it, delete. Okay. So you should have something that looks like this once you're done. Go ahead and press Finish Sketch. Okay. You really only have one more step left, and it's just going to take a few little tools to get through. So this is coil. It will automatically look for your revolve shape, just like the glass that you just got done doing. Okay, your axis is right here. You'll see a spiral as soon as you do this. You can rotate up or down, it doesn't matter, or you can flip your axis up or down too. The way I would like you guys to do this is to flip your axis going down. Okay, so it should be facing down. Then I need you to hit coil size. Okay, and this will allow you to be able to change and alter your numbers just a little bit. And here's what I need you to do. On the pitch, you want to change it to 2. The reason why I do this is because with the height of this, it doesn't like it when it overlaps, and it will throw a little bit of a hissy fit. On revolve, hit 10. Now, in order to give it that bell shape like this, where it goes out, you have to change the taper, and we're going to change that to 8. Press OK. And there's a coil. And guess what? That's all you had to do on this one. Okay? Add a material if you wish. Do something aluminum. There we go. Okay, got this one done. Told you this was easy. So, save as. I'm going to call this one your last name, coil. Upload this to Google Classroom, and you're done. See you next video.